So shall we start with the revision quiz of globalization and the Indian economy? Yes? I request everyone to please keep their videos on. Okay. So starting with this. Very first question is for Sahil. Sahil, tell me the difference between investment and foreign investment.
मैम इन्वेस्टमेंट मतलब जो हम अपने कंट्री में करते हैं और फॉरेन इन्वेस्टमेंट मतलब जो हम बाहर की कंट्रीज में करते हैं.
What you will write in answer? आप ऐसा लिखोगे इन्वेस्टमेंट मतलब जो हम हमारी कंट्री में इन्वेस्ट करते हैं. आंसर क्या लिखोगे बेटा?
मतलब जैसे हम कि हमारी कंट्री में हमने अपनी नई मतलब वो फ्रेंचाइजीज खोली ज्यादा से ज्यादा जितना सके टू ओपन फ्रेंचाइजीज इन आवर कंट्री एंड डेवलप आवर इकोनॉमिकल कंडीशंस.
And what is foreign investment?
Foreign investment in which we invest in other countries for our business welfare.
उसका आपने देखा नहीं उसका एटीओ का इश्यू था पहले.
आप जो थॉट्स बता रहे थे वो बिल्कुल सही था पर इंग्लिश बोलने पे आए मतलब ट्रांसलेट करने पे आए तो थोड़ा 19
उस टाइम बना के लिख दूंगा.
ऐसे नहीं चलता है बेटा. यस.
और मोबाइल नंबर तो
when we buy houses, building and properties, stocks market, when we invest in stock market in our country, it is called investment, normal investment, and when we do this same in foreign countries, it is known as foreign investment.
Yes. फॉरेन इन्वेस्टमेंट हम कौन से मोड ऑफ कौन से टाइप से कर सकते हैं? दैट मीन्स कौन सी कंपनी या कौन सी इंस्टीट्यूशन ऑर्गेनाइजेशन हमको काम आता है अगर हमको फॉरेन इन्वेस्टमेंट करना है तो? अद्वितीय.
वर्ल्ड ट्रेड ऑर्गेनाइजेशन.
ओके. और वो कंपनी क्या कहलाती है जो फॉरेन के साथ ट्रेड करती है? यस, मल्टीनेशनल कंपनी. गुड, वेरी गुड. ओके. यस. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज फॉर सानिया. Sanya, tell me, why do MNCs set up their offices and factories in those regions where they get cheap labor and other resources? Why do they do so?
Ma'am, they set up factories and resources in the regions where they have cheap labors and all, because that will make a big problem, as they have to, as the production of cost is low and the selling price would increase. This will make a big profit to MNCs, and thus they can also trade in the prices they want.
Yes, exactly, Saria, you are right. वो लोग क्यों उन जगहों पे करेंगे एमएनसी सेटअप जहाँ पे चीप लेबर है एंड द रीजन्स विच आर नियर, राइट? क्यों है वहाँ पे फैक्ट्री सेटअप करेंगे? बिकॉज इट विल बिकम इजी फॉर देम टू ब्रिंग डाउन द कॉस्ट ऑफ प्रोडक्शन एंड दिस विल ऑल्सो इंक्रीज द प्रॉफिट मार्जिन फॉर themselves, right? That will be the reason why they will do so. Okay. Next question is for Harshvardhan. Due to what reason are the latest models of different items available within our reach? Sorry.
Yes, ma'am. Can you repeat the question, please?
Yes, I can repeat the question. Yes, Rishika.
Ma'am, the needs of people are increasing, so the tertiary sector and secondary sector have to fulfill their needs, and that's why we have.
Okay. But still इसको one word में हम बोल सकते हैं. Yes, Kashish, you want to try?
Ma'am, trade all over the world.
No, इसको अगर आप बोलना चाहो, then it is simply a globalization.
Globalization.
मैंने बोला तो सर.
बेटा 1 मार्कर में आप इतना सारा नहीं लिखोगे.
नहीं मैम, कशिश के बोलने से पहले मैंने लास्ट में बोला.
तो मे बी आप दोनों ने साथ में बोला इसीलिए नहीं सुनाई दिया ग्लोबलाइजेशन. Okay. Okay. Next question is for Twara. Globalization and greater competition among producers have been advantageous to consumers. Why so?
Because due to globalization and competition in producers, the consumers got better quality, cheap price, and they have many things or many aspects to compare.
Yes.
Benefit for consumers.
Okay. Or?
Ma'am, and in if any Indian producer go in foreign trade or foreign market, so like Indian steel goes exports to China, and so Chinese market or Chinese steel producers will have this quality, and they will be able to compare that. Means Indian steel, which is cheap and nice in quality, with comparison to Chinese steel. So means they will compare it and will have
Yes.
things to improve in their quality.
Okay. Fine. Great enough. इसमें इसके अलावा हम ये भी बोल सकते हैं that consumers nowadays requires and demands huge varieties of goods and services, right, to be chosen from. So इस वजह से भी globalization has given a greater competition among producers, and that has been advantageous to us as customers, right? क्योंकि हमारे choices बढ़ गए हैं, तो availability of resources के साथ साथ जो हमारे पास ready material available होता है उसकी choices भी बढ़ गई हैं. उसकी वजह से कंपटीशन बढ़ता है, एंड कंज्यूमर्स कंपटीशन की वजह से इट इज बेस्ट पॉसिबल कि कंपटीशन की वजह से वी कैन हैव लोअर प्राइजेस, right? Because there is a tough competition around the market, so that particular commodity will be available in low price. Meet, please turn on your video. And ऐसी अलग अलग कॉम्पिटिशन्स ऐसी अलग अलग चीजें अवेलेबल होने के साथ हमारा स्टैंडर्ड ऑफ लिविंग भी इम्प्रूव होता है, right? So it also helps us in our standard of living, and there are different approaches where producers and workers have been motivated and are increased, and that helps to gain employment ratio. ठीक है? Okay. Next question is for Advitya. How India is attracting foreign trade, growing competition, and uncertain employment?
Because in India there are skilled laborers and cheap labor, and in India people can speak in English. The prices of resources are low.
Please tell them to be low. Okay. So when it is a talk about India attracting foreign trade, competition and uncertain employment, तो इसमें आप ये लिख सकते हो that globalization has become a major challenge for small traders. For huge and large traders, it is okay to have and it is advantageous. Whereas for small traders, it has become a challenging job to compete with that, right? So because of that, जो MNCs हैं, small companies हैं, जो कि ये competition में कहीं ना कहीं नहीं stand ले पा रही हैं, और उसकी वजह से जो import है किसी restrictions के बिना, वो चीज affect करती है foreign competition को, foreign investment को. Right? Yes, Advitya is there. Advitya, please continue.
Foreign people are interested in investing in India and setting new production centers because in India they can get cheap labor, and Indian people have great communication skill that will suit them.
Yes, perfect. Very good. And in fact, instead of this all, uncertain jobs have increased because of globalization. उसकी वजह से वो हमको employment opportunities बढ़ के मिल रही हैं. Right? Even जो domestic products countries हैं, they are also employing workers for a temporary basis for the cost of production. And उनको पूरे साल नहीं काम करना है, तो उनका कॉस्ट ऑफ प्रोडक्शन भी काम में आ रहा है एंड फ्लेक्सिबिलिटी ऑफ वर्कर्स की वजह से उनका एम्प्लॉयमेंट रेशियो भी बैलेंस हो रहा है. दिस इज द रीजन हाउ इंडिया इज अट्रैक्टिंग फॉरेन ट्रेड, ग्रोइंग competition and uncertain employment. Is that clear, Sania?
Zones are built by government in which they provide 24/7 water, electricity, and cheap labors that benefits MNCs to produce their
Yes,
products
very good.
easily. And they give मतलब उन्हें गारंटी दी है कि भाई ये चीज अगर ये चीज हुआ तो 5 साल तक वो टैक्स नहीं लेंगे.
यस सी बेटा, SEZ जो होता है स्पेशल इकोनॉमिक जोन को हम SEZ भी बोलते हैं. सो ये एक ऐसा एरिया होता है जहाँ पे बिजनेस और ट्रेड जो है वो अलग अलग फॉर्म में कंडक्ट किए जाते हैं कंट्री के ऐसे पार्ट में जहाँ पे उनको सारी फैसिलिटीज अवेलेबल होती है. नियर बाय एरियाज में सारी फैसिलिटीज, वाटर, इलेक्ट्रिसिटी, ट्रांसपोर्टेशन, everything is available nearby their zones, and they even try to have balance of payment, employment ratios, investments, job opportunities for workers, casuals, right? So ये सारी चीजों का ध्यान जिस एरिया में रखा जाता है जोन्स में उसको कहा जाता है स्पेशल इकोनॉमिक जोन्स. आशीष, how would flexibility in labor laws help companies?
मैंने ही तो पूछा है क्वेश्चन.
So आप इसे आंसर मानिए, आप दोनों का क्वेश्चन था एक्चुअली, दैट्स व्हाई आई आस्क्ड यू ओनली. प्लीज टर्न ऑन योर वीडियो एवरीवन. सी बेटा, जब हम यहाँ पे फ्लेक्सिबिलिटी की बात कर रहे हैं, राइट, फ्लेक्सिबिलिटी ऑफ लेबर्स, तो यहाँ पे हमेशा कंपनी में जितनी ज्यादा फ्लेक्सिबिलिटी, यस, लेबर लॉज में फ्लेक्सिबिलिटी की जाती है कंपनीज के हिसाब से, जस्ट इन सेंस कि उनका कंपटीशन जो है वो और इम्प्रूव हो जाए. बिकॉज लेबर लॉज, लेबर्स को जितनी ज्यादा फैसिलिटी, जितना ईज मिलेगा, दैट विल डेफिनेटली अफेक्ट द आउटपुट ऑफ अ फर्म, राइट? बिकॉज इफ दे आर मोटिवेटेड एंड दे आर वर्किंग by their due heart for the company, that company will definitely turn into a good ratio. और कंपनी अगर टर्न अच्छा कर रही है रेशियो के साथ तो डेफिनेटली दैट कंपनी विल ग्रो, राइट? सो दैट्स व्हाई दिस फ्लेक्सिबिलिटी इन लेबर हेल्प कंपनीज टू increase their profit as well as their positions. Yes?
Ma'am, actually, can you please explain the two lines I say from a paragraph, last two lines of a paragraph?
Yes, beta, sure.
Instead of hiring workers on a regular basis or permanent basis, companies hire workers flexibly for short period where there is intense pressure.
There are various types of skills which are required. तो अगर मुझे पर्टिकुलर टाइम के लिए मुझे ए स्किल चाहिए तो मैं ए स्किल वाले एम्प्लॉइज को एम्प्लॉय करूंगी एंड आई एम नॉट गिविंग हिम द परमानेंसी, राइट? सो व्हाट आई कैन डू, मैं उसको हटा के दूसरे किसी को लाऊंगी. इफ आई एम मेकिंग मिस्टर ए परमानेंट एंड आई वांट मिस्टर बी स्किल, राइट, आई वांट बी स्किल, तो मुझे मिस्टर बी स्किल वाले को भी एम्प्लॉय करना पड़ेगा. सो व्हाट आई कैन डू, मैं मिस्टर ए को ला रही हूँ, उसका स्किल वर्क कंप्लीट, देन आई एम आस्किंग मिस्टर बी टू ज्वाइन एंड आई एम आस्किंग मिस्टर ए टू लीव. मैं मिस्टर ए को जाने को बोल रही हूँ, मिस्टर बी को आने को बोल रही हूँ, तो वो जहाँ पे मेरे दो एम्प्लॉयज हो रहे थे वहां पे एक ही एम्प्लॉय हो गया. समझ में आई बात? इस तरह से वो लेबर का कॉस्ट कम होता जाता है बिकॉज वो मनी को बैलेंस करना चाहते हैं और इस तरह से उनका प्रॉफिट बढ़ता जाता है. एंड ऐसा भी होता है काफी बार कि किसी एक इंसान को एम्प्लॉय करके दे कैन डू मल्टीपल टास्क्स, राइट? किसी एक इंडिविजुअल को हम एम्प्लॉय करते हैं और उससे हम लगभग 4-5 तरह के अलग अलग काम करवा सकते हैं. तो वो जो अलग अलग तरह के लोग आके काम करते, उसकी जगह वो एक ही बंदा है जो काम करेगा. सो दैट विल डिक्रीज द कॉस्ट ऑफ अ फर्म एंड दैट विल इंक्रीज द प्रॉफिट, राइट? इस तरह से. नाउ इट इज क्लियर, सानिया, कशिश?
Yes, ma'am. Thank you.
Great.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Twara, back to you.
Yes, ma'am.
Continue.
labor laws, which is supported by the government itself. It executes the laws for the labor, but it isn't followed because of corruption and many more reasons. In India, MNC or a multinational company invests because they have cheap labor and they work for many hours, like 18 to 20 hours. They're continuously working day and night, and they also don't demand the means their rights. Like in foreign, if you are a labor, they will provide you proper home and proper medication and proper food for your family and all. But in India, it's not like that. They don't have a proper house, they don't have proper sanitation facilities. Like any labor or any worker working in a construction site, you can see that his or her children are just roaming around and they are not in good condition. They don't have proper medication, they don't have proper food provided. And sometimes it happens that when a child is on construction site, maybe sometimes he dies from electric shock and many more accidents on construction site. So means safety is not properly provided. And uh, uh, so yeah.
Okay, fine. See, instead of that, also you can say कि companies में जो flexibility होती है laborers की, that can also be reduced. That can also bring decrease in production many times also, right? Because cost of employing laborers जो है short period तक का रहता है आजकल सब companies का, right? And they don't prefer to have it for longer period of time, right? So by this labor laws जो है companies जो है वो negotiate करते हैं wages में, terminate employees, they depend on their skills. So this all things are responsible for the flexibility in labor that helps companies to regain or to earn more profit, right? Krishna Sadhwani, tell me what is MNC? What is MNC?
No, ma'am.
MNC. Kashish, what is MNC stands for?
Multinational company.
Yes, it's multinational companies, Krishna. Okay, next question is for Rishika. What is investment made by MNC called?
Ma'am, repeat karo to.
Investment made by MNCs is called dash.
Foreign investment.
Yes, it is foreign investment. Next question is for Sahil. Process of integration of different countries is called?
मैम इंटीग्रेशन का मतलब?
It's a question for you.
मैं एक बार रिपीट करो वापस.
Process of integration of different countries is called?
Globalization.
Yes, globalization. आप समझ आया integration का मतलब? Mixing, getting together, right? Okay. Next. Next question is for Sania. MNC does not increase dash. Competition, price war, quality, none of the above.
Price war.
MNC does not increase anything of the above options. MNC does not increase price war, does not increase competition, does not increase quality. Right? Right?
मैम पर उनके आने से competition बढ़ता है.
Okay, next question is for Twara. This helps to create an opportunity for the producers to reach beyond the domestic market. Options are foreign trade, domestic trade, trade barrier.
Ma'am, can you repeat the question?
Yes, I can repeat the question.
Please repeat.
This helps to create an opportunity for the producers to reach beyond the domestic market.
Foreign trade.
Very good. Foreign trade. Next question is for Advitya. Globalization was stimulated by money, population, computers, transportation.
Transportation.
Very good. Transportation. Next question is for Rishika. Tax on imports is an example of dash. Disinvestment. Very good. Trade barrier. Very good. Next question is for Kashish. Production of service across countries has been facilitated by dash. I repeat the question. Production of services across countries has been facilitated by dash. Money, machine, labor, information and communication. Money, machine, labor, information and communication.
Labor.
No, it's information and communication technology. Please keep your video on. Next question again is for Kashish. Liberalization does not include dash. Removing trade barriers, liberal policies, introducing quota system, or disinvestment.
Disinvestment.
Does not include dash.
Quota.
Yes. Introducing quota system. Because liberalization means हमको trade barriers हटाना, जहाँ पे टैक्सेस है उनको लिबरलाइज करना, राइट? दैट इज व्हाट इज लिबरलाइजेशन, जिससे इजीली इंपोर्ट एक्सपोर्ट कर सके हम, राइट? ओके, नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज फॉर त्वरा. व्हाट इज आउटसोर्सिंग?
क्या मैम?
व्हाट इज आउटसोर्सिंग? Outsourcing.
Let try.
Wait. If Twara is not ready, then you can try.
Just a minute. I need to think.
Okay, Rishika, up till that you can try.
Ma'am, outsourcing may be transporting transporting goods.
Yes.
Ma'am, can
yes, Twara.
Ma'am, outsourcing is a practice means which of certain job functions which is done outside the company.
Perfect. Outsourcing means when these goods and services and all transactions are done by outside resources, right? From outside sources, usko bolte hai outsourcing. Okay. Sadhvani, I hope this you can answer. What is WTO? WTO.